Hello everyone! Today I will show an easy way to recover files emptied from the trash can. Accidentally or intentionally, you might have emptied the trash and permanently delete all of your important documents, photos, videos, or music files. The situation turns out worse when you don't have backup of these files. What would you do now? Don't worry, Stellar Data Recovery Professional for Mac helps you to easily recover the files emptied from trash. Simply launch the software and select the files you wish to recover. If you wish to recover specific files, such as the documents or videos, then you have the option to customize your scan. Stellar Data Recovery software lists all the connected storage devices, including the startup disk and external hard drives. Select the startup disk to recover the files emptied from trash, and then toggle over to Deep Scan. The software scans the selected drive and displays preview of the recoverable files. You can easily monitor the scan progress with the provided files found, time elapsed, and time left information. After the scan completion, Stellar lists up all the recoverable files on the left panel of the interface. Here, you can navigate to the Classic List, File List, or Deleted List to analyze your recovered files. You can now get preview of recovered documents, photos, videos, and audio. Select the files you want to recover and click the Recover button to save the data. At this moment, provide a destination to save your files. You can select another drive or an external storage device. This is how easily it is to recover the files emptied from trash with the help of Stellar Data Recovery Professional. Free download this amazing software and bring your lost data back to life.